Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith of Smith in the Black with a Strat Time Report. Happy FOMO Day, and good day to know what a 2-2 reversal is. If we go to the SPY, we've been talking all week about needing not be an inside week. Now we're not. Two down, two up reversal coming back through that stuff. And we've seen a lot of that going on, from the Strat Attack show. We talked a bunch of those, so we'll be going back into those. But for right now, you'll notice this here. The two down. They've been drifting the outside day. Remember the outside day. Took out both sides. There's your broadening formation. Two down, and then boom, 2-2 reversal. Two down, two up. These two become an outside bar of these guys, right? And if, as long as you stay above that, then you have your 2-2 reversal for the week. We're running out of week, but as long as you're over that 441.68, you're there. And so it gives you this powerful rally like you're seeing with a lot of those 2-2 reversals kicking in. Q here, two down, two up on the week, over 365.69, and you can see how these things just went gangbusters to the upside. If we go to Dow Jones Diamonds, here, Dow Jones still kind of stuck here. It's getting close. It's still an inside week, though, and it's still handling an inside month. So the Dow lagging just a bit, but day ain't over, and so far these things keep a chugging. If we go to small cappers, we know they've been doing nothing. But does take out the week there, too. So you got all that kind of stuff working for you. One of the things we were looking at last night with the semiconductors, SMH. And SMH was an inside day, right? So I wanted to see how that plays out. You're still an inside week, looks like to me. Get that tick going. But you're getting closer to that 2-2 reversal too, which means that there could be more follow-through on all this. And that's why you can see this powerful strength as most things are breaking their last week's highs now. So SMH, we knew yesterday, AMD, when SMH was down, and then inside day to the upside on an inside day for SMH, and when SMH breaks the upside, no reason to believe AMD's going down. Taking out last week's highs. Now, 2-2 reversal month over 111.85. You're there right now. So keep an eye on AMD and all that kind of fun. NVIDIA. Now, inside day breaks to the upside, triggering this. The two down by taking out the last week's lows, two up. Here, 2-2 reversal on the weekly. Over 213.22. If we go to SWKS, a little bit different of a story, but can be setting up for next week. All right, still got some week left, but here you're going to notice the 2-2 reversal daily. Two down, boom, back she goes, up she goes. Let's shrink this down here in the 60 just a little bit so we can see some more things. So if you're looking to get in on something, whoa, hold on. Let's say you're looking to get in on this if the daily didn't gap above it, it moved through it. You can take it as soon as it took this out, or on the 30 you're going to see this continuation here. The two up, the two down, boom, 2-2 reversal. Right here, that gets you in. All right, we got a new 60, and every new 60 is like a new day to us. So let's take a look at that SPY one more time. So we haven't had any reversals on the 30 or the 60 yet. When we do, some things will change. But what that means is a lot of things just get caught up in this big futures move to the upside. But if we can get something like that, we'll see. Anyway, we go to Corvo. I mean, just semi chip. Corvo was also struggling here, but you can see that two down, two up day, right? RevStrat 30 right here. Inside bar, pokes down, boom, you're in. So we'll see if that continues as well. LRCX. So what's going to be interesting, like LRCX, is things if we can come back up on this inside month. We haven't done it yet, but potential outside week 3 here, right, with the semi-strong. And then how do you get in on this, Rob? Like right here. Inside bar. Pokes down, boom, RevStrat, you're in. Stops out all the shorts against these guys. Boom, and off she goes. If we go to AMBA, and AMBA, RevStrat week. Inside week, pokes down, boom. Now looking to take all these guys out and go into the highs. Got a little corrective activity in here. We'll see if that sets up again. So far, the market's holding on the new 60. If we go to EXPI, EXPI weekend vid here, the weekly, the outside week 3, 2, 2. Here's your 2-2 reversal after a 3 over 43.64. Now looking to take this out, and if that works, you get your 1-bar Rev Strat Monther down in here. Inside bar pokes down, now a change in continuity and coming back through that range. Keep an eye on EXPI. If we go to Hubs on that big gunner, 2-2 reversal week. 2 down, 2 up, boom, causes the outside month, right? Now just kind of sitting here for now. We'll see how that 60 sets up. But inside day to the upside continuation, taking it into magnitude, into new highs. That's something you'd look for. If we go to Okta, yes, sir. Were we looking for this? We sure were. I've talked about this all week. The 2 down on Monday, the 2-2 on a Tuesday, and if that works, it's going to trigger this, the 2-2 reversal on the week. 2 down, 2 up. Talked about this all week. Over 237.45, trading 259.36. Not bad. So we'll see if that can get outside month, be strong enough for that. If we go to Coop. Coop. Same deal. The 2 up, the 2 down, the 2-2 daily reversal, and if that works, triggers this. 2-2 weekly reversal. Talked about it all week. Over 232.69. All right, there you go. If we go to Walgreens. So right now, a lot of things just blasting. Walgreens had some news, and so Walgreens will keep an eye on this to see if you can get an outside month. Got some news in there, and they just ripped back through. Now you might have an inside 60. We'll see that thing set up again. If we go to Union Pac. Union Pacific, we've known about this. These rails have been strong, and then they backed off. You can see this here. Wait for the triangle day out. The 2 up, the 2 down, and then 2-2 reversal yesterday, and then boom. These 3 become an outside bar of that, reconfirming the Rev Strat month, 1, 2, 2, and that tells us CSX. Here, still 2-2 reversal on the month. All right. Norfolk Southern. Here on the daily. 2 down by stopping these guys out, and then 2 right back up. Still reconfirming that Rev Strat Monther, so all that kind of good stuff over there. If we go to UPST, NVIDIA goes to the hash. UPST, still blasting. It hits magnitude, so that's what we're looking for here on the weekly. 2 down by taking out last week's lows, and boom, here she comes. Over 323.59, trading 368.63, takes all these guys out, and then some. Sometimes they go a little bit further than you thought, huh? All right, so if we go to let's go to the crowd. All right, take me out with the crowd, baby. There you go. The 2 down day, 2-2 reversal. If that works, you can trigger the 2 down, 2 up week here. Over 253.77, trading 274.80. Nice chunkers this week, and if that works, you get the 1-bar Rev Strat month. Inside month pokes down, now coming back through the crowd. If we go to D-Dog. Just still going, just kind of sitting here though, but we'll see if that thing continues to grind. But we know, once again, the 2-2 reversal. Can't stress that, knowing that one enough this week. If you go to TWLO. Do we know about this? Sure did. 2 down day, 2 up. If that works, boom. 2-2 weaker. 2 down, 2 up. Back to previous range. And that was here. Above 331.57, trading 359.34. Looking for an outside month over there. If we go to RLAY, relay. And relay, remember this one. The inside bar, the poke down, boom, the rev strat, and off she goes. And if that works, the outside bar, the 2 down, the 3, 2, 2 to try and come up and take out this. All right, that would also give you the outside month. All right, market just kind of stalling out here. It's been quite the push. In the morning, if you go to the bros, BROS, inside 60 right now, having a good day, and that was an inside bar here. Inside weak to the upside. So, I mean, there's obviously when you have them blasting like this, there's a ton of things I can go through, but we'll see here. Ollie here. See this? 2 down, 2 up, weak here. Taking this out over 62.69. All right, now trading 67. That's a nice little run. If we go to Coinbase. Coinbase, still an inside month. But here in the daily, stop them out, 2 down, 2 up, reversal. Boom, and off she goes. Look to take these guys out, and these become an outside bar of all that. You see? All right. If not too much on the downside here until we can get some discernible, corrective activity, which we have not had yet. But China and Futu just staying like a corpse down near the lows, inside month to the downside. Baba not participating in this rally, so China down a little bit. Baba not totally getting killed, but slightly right. How about Baidu? Said hard to find anything that's really doing anything that bad. So just a little weakness over there. AMN. Ooh boy. Ow. This thing gets smoked here, and you can see that having problems giving you the outside month. So that's why we want to look at things that are nice long and red and green, and then see if they come back. And you can see in all these 2-2 weekly reversals, they certainly came back gangbusters today. So whenever you see something like that, you might want to keep an eye on it for the next day. If you go to Boeing, taking out yesterday's lows, outside 1 bar rev strat weaker, inside weak, tried to go up there and then boom, right back down. You can see this thing, it's kind of stuck on the monthly, just kind of stuck in here, not really going anywhere. And so you can expect these reversals back and forth, chop, which you got. Now it looks like it's inside in the 60. We'll see what we get out of that. If you go to Lyft, and Lyft, oh boy, on the 60, right here. Inside 60, boom. You can see how this price discovery started here. Lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, boom, back through previous range and down she goes, taking out last week's lows. Still an inside month, so we'll see if there's any follow through there. If we go to Wells Fargo outside day to the downside, and that reconfirms this inside week to the downside. You also started off here. The outside inside 312, bam, still looking to take this out, this outside bar low, but you do have a new 60. If you go to PLXP, and PLXP, it's taking out last week's lows, completing this, the outside week 322, which would have been an outside bar, just ran out of time, but now it is. Boom, 3 and a compound 3 to take that out. And if that works, triggers this. Rev strat month here. Inside month, pokes up, boom. Rev strat month below there. If we go to BTAI, and so we got to go down the food chain here to get any major that's down here. So if we go to here, 2-2 reversal on the daily. 2 up, boom, 2-2 down, back to the previous range. Now stabilizing with a 60. Because you complete that outside month and that outside week. So not too much on the downside, but for the upside, it's just a plethora of 2-2 weekly reversals. And the market's going to trade in the direction of the most 2s and the most failed 2s going 3s. And right now, most things are 2 up on the week. All right, that's going to do it for today. I'm Rob Smith, Smith in the Black. Strat Time Report.